Okay, so now in this video I will tell you how we can add an impact effect to anything in our environment. Okay, for example, now we have this box. Okay, it has the health script attached to it. So now let's try to damage this box. Okay, so for that, right here in the rifle script at the top, let's add a reference to the wood effect. Okay, so for that we will say public game object. Let's name this as wooded effect. If we check it out here, we have this beautiful wood effect, as you can see. So we will add that. So now in order to show this impact effect, or you can say this wood effect, on wherever we fire on the box, okay, we want to show a effect right there. So for that there is a method to do it right here. When we are giving damage to the object, okay, right here we will create a game object by the name of would go, and in here we will instantiate this wood effect wherever the player shoots on the box actually. Okay, so for that let's use instantiate, and it is actually instantiate or whatever it calls. Okay, right here we don't want to play the gore effect, sorry, we want to play the wooded effect, not aided, it is wooded effect. Okay, I don't know why the Visual Studio is not giving me the hints. Okay, right here we will play the wood effect, and we will use the raycast hit, which is hit info, and wherever we hit we want to play the wood effect at that point. So for that we will use hit info dot point, and after that we will use quaternion dot look rotation, and then we will say hit info dot normal, and after this we want to destroy the effect as well, because we don't want the effect to be there for long. So we will say would go, and we want to destroy it after every 1 second. And what this quaternion.look rotation will do is basically this will create a quaternion rotation that look forward, or you can say down, and then the forward vector. Okay, basically let me tell you in more detail words that it will create a quaternion rotation that looks forward, okay, or you can say down, and then the forward vector, and has the as the y-axis aligned with the up. Okay, or you can say that it creates a rotation with the specified forward and upward directions. Okay, so the z-axis will be aligned with forward, and x-axis will be aligned with the cross product between z and x. So basically this will be more understanding if we test it out now. So if we click on player, then Atomic and mesh, right here we need to add the effect. So here is the impact effect. Let's play the game. Okay, so now whenever we try to hit this box, it will play the wood effect, as you can see. Okay, so it plays the effect wherever we shoot. For example, if you shoot there, as you can see, it changes the rotation. Okay, it shows it on this side. Okay, so that is why we use the quaternion dot rotation for that purpose. Okay, let me show you again. If we try to shoot the box from here, as you can see, it shows it right there. And now if we try to hit it from this side, as you can see, it shows it on that side. Okay, not similar to this effect when we hit it from this side. Okay, it shows it in that facing, and now if we shoot it there, it shows in that facing. Okay, that bullet hole. So in this way you can add a impact effect to whatever object you want. We will use the same method when we will be damaging the enemy. So with our rifle done, catch you guys in the next one.